Hey y'all, how y'all doing today? Y'all know I got my little setup going on. Yes, um, I got my show already about to play. Just gotta press play. It's going to start playing the episode. Y'all, I'm about to watch that celebrity today and eat some wings. Stop. I am starving. If I'm starving, but as y'all can see from the title, I'm about to give y'all like an update on me. I realized I haven't did one of those videos in a long time. If y'all are new, I'm a type 1 diabetic. I've been a type 1 diabetic since I was about 5 and a half. And it's one of the main reasons why I started my channel, etc. etc. Give me 1 second, y'all. I'm about to take some insulin. Y'all, it's take a little bit longer than I expected. Little thing right here be tripping. Oh, y'all, my blood sugar 170, so that's good. Yeah, every time somebody asks me like what it is, like what is diabetes, what does being a diabetic mean? Hold on, I might turn this down a little bit. I always give them a definition of what I understand it is from my understanding because y'all been diabetic since I was 5 and a half. So we have a organ in our body that's called a pancreas that produces insulin. Mine does not work at all. Like, so I have to physically give myself insulin so I won't get sick from the things I eat and drink. That's my best knowledge, but I'm about to Google like the real definition. If I pronounce anything wrong, mind your business. So basically, it's the same definition. I'm a type 1 diabetic. So it says a chronic condition in which the pancreas produces little or no insulin. So basically, what I just said. Hey, y'all, with my diabetes, I actually been doing pretty good on taking care of myself because I have not found a doctor here where I stay. So the last time I actually saw my doctor was in October, right before I moved. And I'm thinking about like just keeping my doctors back at home and going to see them. Like, cause I usually go see my diabetic doctor every 3 months and just go back home and see my family, and then make it easier with me staying out here without family. So hopefully I can do that. That's what I want to do. And then not only am I a diabetic, I'm a diabetic with other health issues. So I have diabetes, I have high blood pressure, I have a cyst that grows over my ovaries here and there. Like it comes and goes. I have low thyroid. It's one more thing, but it's not popping. It's not popping in mine. I don't like. Yeah, it's not popping in mind like what it is, but I take medicine for it. I take all those things I just said. I take medicine for it, except for the cyst. The cyst, there's nothing I can do about that. I gotta deal with the pain, and then once it go away on its own, that's just that. And it usually comes like if I'm stressed, or if I'm about to start my menstrual cycle. That's the only time I really deal with it. And then I also deal with mental health. I deal with depression and anxiety. I recently just started speaking out about my mental health. I only did one video so far, but I posted a TikTok. And no, I didn't post it. It's like, oh, are you okay? Like, no, I don't want y'all to worry about me because I know I'm gonna be okay. I did it because I wanted to let y'all know that y'all are not alone. And if y'all ever need somebody to talk to, I'm here. I used to talk to a professional like before I moved, and like she helped me through a lot. But since I moved, I'm in a new whole state. I can't talk to her no more. So I feel like that's the only biggest change for me personally. It was like when I need somebody to talk to, I always call my mom. My mom, she be busy herself, so she's like she can't always answer her phone. She also be tired, so like when I'm up, she sleep. And I was like, "Oh, mom, I was just calling you because." But my mom helps me through my mental health too. Also, my dad does too. He always texts me, checking up on me, like, "Hey, how you feeling today? What you doing? Have you been taking care of yourself?" Like it's like I have a great support system when it comes to my mental health. So I want y'all to have a great support system as well. So y'all could contact me on any of my social medias. If y'all don't want to contact me on any of my social medias, um, let me know and I can send y'all an email that y'all can contact me at. Like just so y'all won't feel like y'all don't have anybody to talk to. So every time I get Wingstop, I don't even get their fries no more. Because by the time you get the fries, they be cold. But my favorite flavor Wingstop ever is the spicy Korean Q. But right now I got spicy Korean Q, of course. If I wanted to try a new flavor, I got the garlic parmesan. I never tried it before. Don't cuss me out in the comments. But I'm about to try it right now. Okay. I think I actually like these. The spicy Korean Q is always gonna be a 10 out of 10 for me. I tried lemon pepper too. The lemon pepper would be cool, but I feel like you gotta get an extra flavor. Like if y'all get like a lemon pepper, I'd say order a sauce on the side, like the hot sauce, and mix it together. Because I feel like if you eat the lemon pepper by itself, it'd be real salty. Like they be heavy handed with the lemon pepper. This It's mild, like it's not too salty. Oh yeah, and yeah, no, I'm all over the place. But the main question I always get asked is like, "Do you like that?" I can't say that I like it, or I can't say that I dislike that. Right now, I just feel like it's okay. I will say if that it's hard to find. It's hard to find a job down here, y'all. I ain't gonna lie about that. It's hard. But don't worry, y'all. I got a job. Actually work two jobs, y'all. Yes, I work two jobs. They be like, they'll probably gonna be in the comments like, I know you tired. Mhm. No, I'm gonna knock my drink over. Yo, what's been going on with y'all? Let me know. Uh, Like, how have y'all been mentally, physically, and emotionally? Yo, I ain't gonna lie. I'm sitting here watching that so Raven, and then I also watched the Ravens home, and I just wish that her and Devon was still together. Like, that would have made my childhood. Also, y'all, I've been doing a lot of research for school wise. Please let me know like a good school, cause I really want to go back to school. Oh yeah, let me give y'all a heads up. Every time I try to do a little mukbang, 9 times out of 10, I'm gonna put on the show. I feel like it's a comfort thing for me. Like every time I eat, I'm gonna watch TV. Unless I'm out, of course, unless I'm out at a restaurant. But if I'm at home, if I'm in the house, I'm putting on a show or a movie. Oh, that's crazy. Why they give me 6 wings in a garlic parmesan and only 4 in the Korean Q? Like, I'm not kidding. I'm sad about it. But yeah, these, like I said, the parmesan cool, but this not gonna be my go-to. Let me know what other favorites I should try, y'all. Y'all don't let nobody peer pressure y'all into doing nothing y'all want to do. Y'all, I'm on the episode where Corey was hanging out with them little boys and they convinced him to steal. Y'all, I said little boys like as if they ain't older than me. Oh, y'all, and I know in my previous videos I said I was gonna try to be consistent with posting videos, but now I'm on it. By the time y'all see this video, it's already gonna be a one before this. So I'm trying to post every Sunday around 5 or 6 p.m. I probably say about 5. I posted 2 videos one Sunday at 5 to 6. If y'all want to go check those out, then y'all go see one before this one. Y'all, I am done. Y'all, now I want something sweet. Hold on. Y'all, I got me some vanilla wafers, and y'all, I'm probably gonna eat a few of these. Um, um, Probably in the video because I did not know. And I had just got up and paused the video to go grab the cookies that I was already eating for 30 minutes. So, mm-mm. So I'm not gonna hold up no more of y'all time. Please stay tuned for some more videos and let me know what type of content y'all want to see. Subscribe. Follow me on any of my social medias. Links will be in the description box below. And I will see y'all next week. If not next week, the week after.